iphutha nenza umbhedo ngiyaphinda. Nivotele political parties who have made it clear that they are not with the people of South Africa. Second to that, we align with them because they sit in parliament, Tinashlale Parliament. And if you want to change certain policies, umele ufake into ekuthiwa ama-motion. And when you put those motions, they can only come through members of parliament. So that's why we need them to assist us in changing leyo mthetho leyo ekuyiyona esasicindezela even today. So we want to thank Action SA who's been with us, ATM who's been with us, the IFP who've been with us, the MK who has been with us, the NFP who has been with us, Operation Dudula who has been with us, Africa Maibuye who has been with us, and we thank some members of the ANC like Panyaza Lesufi. We thank those who have stood with us and have given us a message of support. We want to thank Kakulu, Uhulumeni wakaZulu Natal. We want to thank the government, laba abathatha isikhathi sabo bahlala nathi and actually listen to us. The likes of the KZN Premier Tami Ntuli, who has sat down, he even had a summit la efuna khona ukuzwa ukuthi yini kahle kahle lesikhala ngayo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sifuna ukubonga imeya yenkosi Langalibalele ukhansela uMnyeza who has been with us from the beginning. Sibonge ne-Deputy Minister yaka Home Affairs ngoba i-Minister yaka Home Affairs uLeon Schreiber lokhu asiziba from day one. Kodwa ke u-Deputy Minister gave us an ear. Siyabonga ku-Deputy Minister uNjabulo Nzuza. And sifuna ukubonga kakhulu uGeneral wase-KZN wamaphoyisa. Siyabonga kakhulu Ndonga. Siyabonga kakhulu Mkhonazi. Siyabonga nokuthi nje usitreat njengabantu. Ungabe ukuthi uvele waba umuntu ofana nabanye abakuhulumeni abathi nje bazodedela izinja zisilume. Wena umile eqinisweni. Siyabonga Ndonga. Singamshiyi ngaphandle uMajor General Makhoba. Ngifisa ngathi ngabe niyambona lana ngimazi noma ukhona yini. uGeneral Makhoba uyisekela lakhe uGeneral Mkhwanazi, and ngisho singamfonela ngo-1 ebusuku, she's always willing ukuthi asize. Siyabonga kuGeneral Makhoba kakhulu. Sibonge no spokesperson uMr. Robert Necheunga. Wasuka all the way from Limpopo wathathi ngizodila nalamaZulu ngoba ngiyawazi ukuthi abantu aba-right kanjani. Cela simshayele izandla. Cela nimtshele naye nithi Zulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. And then sifuna ukubonga kakhulu obhuti bethu that have been with us from the beginning. Siqala le ndlela kwangelula. Ngifuna ukubonga nje kakhulu esaqala nabo umlungisi uMancinza from day 1 wayekhona. Sibonge uGugu we-ATM owayekhona from day 1 naye, siyabonga kakhulu. Sibonge kakhulu obhuti bami singahlukani nabo noma sihlukene namhlanje ngoba oyedwa usegoli omunye ukhona ngapha. Ngifuna ukubonga kakhulu kuMacingwane uNgizwe Mchunu, bese ngibonga kakhulu ubhuti wami ade celebrate birthday 2 days ago, ubhuti uphakela umthakathi. Sithi happy belated birthday kuyena. Sibonge ke ngabe ngingenza iphutha masingabongi abaholi bendabuko abahla